Today's recipe: mini bread pizza. Let's start. 2 tablespoon oil, 1 medium onion chopped and saute for 1 minute. 1 carrot chopped, 1 capsicum chopped. Mix well. Salt 1 teaspoon asper taste. Add 1 tablespoon barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon chicken tikka masala, mozzarella cheese. Mix well. One cup boiled and shredded chicken. Add mayonnaise for tablespoon. Mix well. Cut bread slices with round cutter. Two egg. Coat both sides of the bread with egg. Heat a little oil in a frying pan. Fry bread slices until light golden on both sides. One tablespoon chili garlic sauce. Pile the topping onto the bread. Add mozzarella cheese slices, olives, cover until cheese is melt. Mini bread pizza is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.